In this video, I'm sharing 4 ideas for restaurants and food service businesses to adjust during lockdowns and social distancing. Hey there, bot builders. Today we are putting some focus on how restaurants, bakeries, pizzerias, and businesses that are similar to that can survive the coronavirus lockdowns and keep business moving. Stay tuned as I will be sharing ways that you can learn how to implement chat marketing and Manychat into some of these strategies to ensure you find success for yourself and for your clients. Let's start with idea number 1. Feed and entertain. Consider building do-it-yourself solutions that both feed and entertain and even educate your customers. A pizzeria could offer to do a build-your-own pizza kit complete with dough, sauce, cheese, and toppings. A bakery could put together decorate your own cupcake kits. Now, these kits could include a selection of already baked cupcakes, frosting bags in various colors and decorations. Restaurants can adopt this same concept by offering meal kits that include portion out ingredients and instructions on how to create that meal. As an added bonus, these businesses could also include a virtual cooking class component via Zoom or video to teach customers how to do what's in their kits. Remembering that at times when, people are stuck at home, even Netflix can get a little boring. And I've heard that a lot of people have actually come to the end of Netflix. So this is a great time to create entertainment and education for customers, all while selling your food. Let's talk about idea number 2. Offer family-style meals. Remember that most families are at home eating together, and they may not have the energy or even the desire to cook a family meal. So try adding a couple of family-style shareable meals to your menu. Include the main course, some side dishes, and even dessert. If you are legally allowed to in your area, you might even offer alcoholic pairing options that people can add to their order. In many places where there has been a restriction for in-dining, restaurants have still been able to offer alcoholic beverages for pickup and even delivery without issue. So be sure to check your local laws and lockdown instruction to see what is allowed in your area. Now it's time for idea number 3. Sell groceries and grocery packages. With stores running low on much needed items, people are looking for other ways to source household staples like meat, eggs, dairy, even toilet paper. Consider selling your food supplies to your customers in a way that a grocery might. A local business where I live actually took this step further and created home essential packages that they sold for only $40 each. The packages included 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, 15 eggs, a gallon of whole milk, a loaf of bread, 1 pound unsalted butter, 2 pounds of rice uncooked, 2 pounds onions, 2 pounds red potatoes, 2 pounds carrots, and actually 3 toilet paper rolls. Now these packages were wildly popular and they sold out in a matter of hours. All right, let's talk about tip number 4. Create a Groupon style meal without the middleman using messenger bots. Using messenger bots can help your food service business in many ways. For one, you can have a messenger bot that takes food orders. Another awesome idea that works not only during a lockdown, but also later on when you're trying to get new business in the door, is to build a messenger bot campaign that acts like a Groupon offer. Basically, you can offer a special where the client pays for credits or a gift card, but gets bonuses. Who doesn't like that? Now, the difference here is that unlike Groupon that automatically takes 50% of your profits, a messenger bot can be built out to take payment and deliver the special offer, and it can keep all the profits for you, the business. So your margins are higher and you make more money. It becomes a win-win for your customers and for you, not just for Groupon. Now, if you are servicing clients that are in the food service industry, you might want to check out Groupon today, find out who's currently utilizing it, and those are the people you should be reaching out to. If you'd like to learn how to build a Groupon style deal messenger campaign, be sure to subscribe to the Manychat channel as we will be back with another video to show you how it's done. I know you're excited. I'm excited. We're all excited. Now, we would love to hear from you. How do you think food service businesses can adapt to this really unusual changing climate that we're in? How do you see tools like Messenger, SMS, and digital marketing helping these businesses stay open during lockdowns? Comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thank you all for watching, and be well.